I'm here to listen to a story that has been passed down through generations. An enchanting legend that captivates people to this day.
It was always elders that spoke of them. They'd always tell us, be careful.
Some people would think of them as aliens. They were able to do things out of the ordinary.
They are the Puglutmu'J, or the little people. They were known to come out of the nearby mountain, Mount St. Joseph, and cause mischief and wreak havoc in the surrounding communities.
There's trails coming down the mountain. That's where the Puglutmu'J would be sliding down and start playing tricks.
They're tiny little guys, but their size has nothing to do with, what they can do, because their power was very great.
Some people think the Puglutmu'J brings us teachings and guide us.
The Puglutmu'J will help spiritually and physically.
But others are not so sure.
Well, one of the things they told us, do not follow them into the woods because you're not going to come back.
A tale to scare children, or spirits to bring us teachings? One thing is for sure, their stories live on.